Welcome to Civil Science Academy. Now I am going to start Unit 7 of Class 6, Our Country, India. This unit is not very important, but we still go through it once because it gives us the basic ideas. In the coming classes, these topics will be explained in more advanced way. That is why we won't skip this unit. I will also tell you which parts you should focus on and which parts you can skip also. Because in Class 9, the same content will be covered again in detail. So here we will just go through the main points to complete the unit. Now, the India has the area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north to south extent from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometer, and the east to west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometer. The India is located in the northern hemisphere, the Tropic of Cancer. It passes almost halfway to our country. From north to south, the India extends between 8 degree 4 minute in north and 37 degree 6 minute in north latitudes. From west to east, it extends between 68 degree and 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. North to south extent, I already told. Since India is so wide from east to west, there is a time difference of about 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh in the east and Gujarat in the west. But still, for the whole country, we follow one standard time. It's called Indian Standard Time. It is taken from the longitude 82 degree and 30 minute in east. Now, the countries like USA and Canada, because they stretch too much from east to west, they have many time zones. But in India, we have only one time zone. If you see the map, you will notice Arunachal Pradesh in here. The Arunachal Pradesh gets sunrise almost 2 hours earlier than the Gujarat, but both still follow the same clock, that is IST. The longitude 82 degree 30 minute east passes near the Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh, and that's why IST is taken from there. India is the 7th largest country in the world by area, and we know that. The next one is India's neighborhood. There are 7 countries that share boundaries with India. You can see them in the map. That is the Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. The next one is India's neighborhood. There are 7 countries that share boundaries with India. You can now, what do you mean by strait? It means when 2 water bodies, the ocean or sea, passes between 2 land masses. We call it as strait. This is the Indian map, and which shows the plateau region and the plain region and the mountain region and mountain or hill regions. Okay. Next one, the physical division of India. The Himalaya mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. The middle range is the Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. The southernmost is the Shivalik. For Class 6, this much is enough. In Class 9, we will study these in detail with the advanced level. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert, and the Vindhya and Satpura ranges are the important in the peninsular plateau. The Narmada and Tapi rivers flow through these ranges. Now remember, both Narmada and Tapi are west-flowing rivers. They drain into the Arabian Sea. In the UPSC exams may confuse you by saying they drain into the Bay of Bengal, but the correct answer is Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats, also called as Sahyadris, form the western boundaries of the Deccan Plateau. The Eastern Ghats form the eastern boundary. The many rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. The next one, the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. They are coral islands off the coast of Kerala. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. So this is the overview of India's boundaries and physical divisions. For this unit, just a glance is enough. No need to go very deep because in Class 6 we will cover it in detail. That's why I explained this unit a little fast. Just underline the key points I told you and keep learning. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and take care.